This is the golden retriever. This is the fucking golden retriever. It's not as theatric as it was when I first saw it, but it is. It's even more, perhaps, but birds don't fly like this. Normally, this is a new phenomenon that I'm discovering just now on the scene. Okay, there's something in the air making these birds fly like it's Tchaikovsky is playing in the background, or one of those classical composers that make people do this kind of movements.
So let me get it straight there. These birds you filmed after the shadow people?
Yeah, that's right, Phil. It's art. I'm sorry, I was just listening to Phil Hendrie. He does a bit where he imitates you. Yeah, I'm familiar with Mr. Hendrie. So let me see, Colonel Monsantana? It's Monsanto, actually.
All right, I thought you were Monsantana.
No, that's another guy.
So, Mr. Monsanto, where did you film these spurious birds at? Is this a real environment or something that you manufactured in your mother's basement? I mean, excuse me, I have a Tourette's kind of. I don't like you particularly, Mr. Monsantana.
Well, Mr. Hendrie, I love you to death.
It's Art Bell.
Well, I don't have to listen to Art Bell to know how alien farts smell.
All right, that's enough.
West of the Rockies, dial 1-800 Shadow People. All right, that's just a ripoff of Phil Hendrie shit. God rest his soul, Phil Hendrie. We love you. The birds just went away. I don't even know if they were even there. I have to check back.